What's up, YouTube? Welcome to another episode of the Wisco Boater channel. My name is Chad. This video is going to focus on using the Swage-It Tool, but I'm up here in Sturgeon Bay and I thought I'd throw some extra footage at the end of this video of a little bit of shipyard action going on here this morning. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned to the end, but enjoy the use of a Swage-It Tool. It's really fairly easy, so hope this helps you. Okay, today I'm going to start working on putting the swage sleeves on the new lifelines here. Lifeline wire, cables, lines, whatever you want to call them. I got my order from McMaster Carr. I've got these genuine NecoPress sleeves. These are zinc plated copper with a 3/16 inner diameter for a 1x19 cable. Here's what they look like before they get squeezed or pressed. Just under 3/8 long, and they're actually pretty easy to use. I've already done one just to practice, but I will show you how these get installed. And I will take my electrical tape off here. I taped each one of these ends when I got the lines just to be sure that they didn't fray. And 1x19 wire stays together pretty well. So we'll slide our sleeve on here. You might have to do a little bit of twisting. Okay, got our sleeve on there, and I'm using the Swage-It Tool. This is from Swage-It Tools. Very easy tool to use. These are fairly inexpensive, I do believe. I did borrow this one from another Chris Craft owner who did his lifelines a couple of years ago. I'm using the 1/8 setting. The sleeve fits in here just fine. So we get the sleeve to sit right in the middle there. And you can just tighten it down with your fingers first. You got to keep them even, otherwise they start to bind up. Okay, when you have it about where you want it, I'm going to back it off just a little bit because I want to make sure that that sleeve is centered. And I want just a little bit of wire exposed at the end there, maybe a 1/16 of an inch. Okay, when you have the sleeve centered, and then we just take our 1/2 inch socket here and start tightening it down. And again, keep them even. You can kind of start to feel when they get uneven. So just a couple, 2 or 3 cranks at a time. Switch to the other side. And the crimp is done when you can't turn them anymore. Okay, that means our ends, our top and bottom piece have met. Now we go the other way. Loosen them back up. Again, keeping them even. Once you get them loose, you can do them by hand. Okay, we've got our crimp on there sufficiently. And we slide it into the toggle this way. Okay, we go. You can see it fits right down inside the toggle. And that is not going anywhere. All right, we're up at the Sturgeon Bay Shipbuilding shipyard, and this morning they are, looks like they're moving the Joyce L. Vanekavort into the dry dock. So I'm gonna walk out here towards water's edge. And so there's the Joyce L. Vanekavort. And if I can get my footing here, I've got a couple of tugboats here that are doing their thing. They're actually, looks like they're working on the American Spirit. The American Spirit, I believe, was over on one of the dock faces, and they moved the Masabi Minor out, which was in dry dock, over to where the Spirit was. So that's the part of the articulating barge, Michigan Trader, the Joyce L. Vanekavort is the tug portion. And they're just sitting out there in the ice, waiting the movement to come into dry dock here. At least I heard that's what was going on. Can't tell from my vantage point if the American Spirit is actually moving. I would assume that it is. It looks like they're pushing it forward. All this ice rolling out here from the wash of the tugboats. Sarter, the William Gaynor, the GBL, and then the two smaller ones out there with the Vanekavort. I don't remember what the names of those are. I might be able to zoom in on one of them. William something, I think. Oh, that's the William Gaynor. Never mind. I don't remember what the names of the little one are. But pretty cool stuff. I wish I could stand out here longer, but my hands are kind of frozen. And I gotta go work on my boat, so. Hope you enjoyed this little bit of extra footage. Just seeing these things out here. There's not much really to capture as far as movement goes, because everything's so slow in the ice, but still pretty cool to see, so. Hope you enjoyed it.